This is the Programmer Owl, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the Edabit Python challenge Burrrp. And in this challenge they want you to create a function that returns the string burp with the amount of R's determined by the input parameters of the function. And in this one I kind of did a brief browse of the resources and to multiply strings. And so basically you use an asterisk to get it to show more than once. Like in this example, they have 2 times string and it repeats string string. So I'm going to use that method as I create my function. So as always, they give you the basic syntax for defining a function called long burp, and the num is the input. That's how many R's there's going to be. So if there's a 3, that means there should be 3 R's. So I want to return, and I'm just going to do a whole bunch of concatenating here. I'm going to do bu plus, and I'm not leaving any spaces or providing any spaces because I want this to be one word, plus r, and I want the number of r's to be however many number or whatever number it is that they pass through in the argument, plus we want to add a p. And that should get all the tests passed. So basically, the letter that you want to repeat, use the asterisk times num, and then you can continue on with the rest of the word, and that passed all the tests. So that is how I solved the Burrrp challenge.